Hi Yogis, Jess here, owner and creator of the Yogic Body online and in studio, and I am coming to you from none other than the Yogic Body studio. In today's Legs Up the Wall class, we get a little creative here with our mat pushed up against the wall, our legs reclined up, and we come into some fun, funky postures to relieve any, swelling from the feet, maybe having been on them all day, maybe tension from the legs, having sat at our desk all day. So whichever spectrum you find yourself on, using your legs, and walking around all day for work, or sitting for long periods of time for your work, I highly recommend that you come on to this yoga video here. Let's dive in. All right, yogis, join me here with your legs up the wall, scooching your hips here as close as you can to the trim of the wall here, just to the baseboard. Let's first begin with placing one palm to our heart, one palm to the belly. And you're welcome to flex your feet here, pushing your toes toward the wall, rolling over the balls of your feet, moving hips side to side. And you're welcome to close your eyes now, maybe even taking ankle circles. Bring your chin to neutral. Unclench your jaw. Unfurrow your brow. And begin first just here to take note to your breath. And just feel this breath here coming into the back of your throat, filling up your chest. And with every inhale, drawing this breath here deeper and deeper into your belly. So almost thinking about the bottom of the lungs here, not that, so to speak, we're breathing into our stomach, but just to think of elongating our breath, drawing it deeper and deeper into our lungs, and in doing so, envisioning here that the chest and belly rise. Letting your shoulders here now slowly drop to the mat. So if you were holding any tension through your neck and shoulders, now's the time to let it go. On an exhale, envision yourself here like hot wax down to the mat, or even like you have lead weights here through shoulders and elbows, just growing a little heavier. And even feeling your palms, first on your heart and then on your belly, rest a little lighter. So we're feeling both this lightness above us, right? And this heaviness, this support here beneath us. We're just slowly coming into our restorative meditation, letting your eyes rest easy, letting top and bottom sets of teeth fall away from one another, letting your tongue now fall away from the roof of your mouth. And if that means that your lips gently part, let it happen. All while doing so, elongating and smoothing our breath here. Feeling now your low back, belly, and pelvis just completely release. As always, supported here fully by your magic carpet ride of a mat, by the ground beneath you. And almost feeling now your legs just grow so heavy that they're only held here on the wall by your heels. Now if you want a little more than legs up the wall, you're welcome now at this point of the video, yogis, to drop your heels from side to side in a reclined, wall-supported V shape. So just a wide-legged straddle here on the wall. Personally, I'm going to keep my legs up the wall just as they are, but you're also welcome to take this full straddle now, dropping right heel to the right, left heel to the left. And if you're doing that, you can also take a gentle bend in the knees so as not to strain your legs. We're here just unwinding now. Continuing to breathe now, elongating your breath for those 5 deep rounds of inhales that we're about to take. Join me here on the 2 biggest inhales you've taken all day. Fill on up, inhale, feel chest and belly expand. And exhale, grow a little heavier, let something go, exhale. Beginning now to wiggle fingers and toes. Any yogis here with your legs outstretched long in a straddle, please join me now back with legs up the wall. Wiggling your toes, rolling your ankles, gently bending your knees here. And just walk the left sole of your foot here toward your right knee. So we're just bending through the left knee. Left sole of the left foot here is planted to the left of the right knee. Gentle bend. And now, almost like if you were coming into half butterfly, right? Drop your left knee toward the wall. Left sole of the left foot comes in toward your right thigh. Just a gentle opening of the hip here. And if you prefer to get a little more, you can even come into a reclined figure 4 with your left ankle now over right thigh. Mind-body connection here as you gently push left knee away. Finding your variation of choice here. 3 more deep rounds of breath. And slowly unwind now as you guide your sole of the left foot to the right thigh, right knee, and then extend your left leg out long. Same on the opposite side here. Point and flex right toes and right sole of the foot now toward the left knee, bending through right knee. Just one big breath. Option to find a half butterfly variation here as you drop your right knee toward the wall. Right sole of the foot comes on into the left thigh, or a reclined figure 4 with right ankle stacked over left thigh. Mind-body connection here as you gently push right knee toward the wall. 3 rounds of big inhales. Slowly unwinding here again as you plant the sole of your right foot here onto the wall, and then guide your right leg out and straight. Point and flex both toes. And then come on into reclined butterfly here. So soles of both of your feet come to meet like bookends here. And then draw your knees with mind-body connection or a gentle push here from both palms. Guide both of your knees toward the wall. Unclench your jaw, unfurl your brow. 5 rounds of deep breath. And on your next inhale, gently join both knees to meet, walking both legs up high, yet again, extending both legs long, and just dropping your right foot here over to the right. Just like clockwork here, yeah? Welcoming 5 rounds of breath in a half straddle here on the wall. Releasing any tension from your knees, calves, even the thighs here. Easy does it. 2 more inhales. Take a gentle bend here back to the right leg, guiding your right leg up and high. Left leg to the left, dropping it with care here. Easy does it. 5 rounds of inhales. Two more rounds of breath. Take a gentle bend again here to the left leg and guide your left leg up and high. You're welcome now, yogis, as you keep your legs extended long or dropped out from side to side here in a straddle. You're welcome now just to slowly integrate the shoulders, goal posting your arms up high overhead. So just bending through right and left elbow. Palms face up. And if you want a little more out of this, you can even extend your arms just a hair up. One more deep inhale. And join me here as you drop right leg over to the left. So sole of the right foot is now over to the left of the left ankle. And then we'll come into a reclined eagle pose variation. Bringing your arms here, right arm under left, palms to touch shoulders or palms to touch one another. Guide your elbows up, forearms away, chin back to neutral here. One more deep inhale. And take it to the opposite side. First, unwinding your arms, arms back at your sides. Bringing your legs back together here, straightened on the wall, and then bending through left knee. Sole of the left foot here over to the right of the right knee. And plans for the arms now, taking a variation of your choice, left arm now under right. Palms to the shoulders or palms to touch. Elbows up, forearms away. Chin to neutral. One more big inhale. And slowly unwind. Planting your palms here at your sides yet again, unwinding your legs. And just simply flexing your feet here, taking ankle circles. Bending your knees, dropping your knees here toward your chest. And your feet here just plant on the wall. You're welcome to take your palms to your knees as you gently push the wall away with your feet. Rolling out your low back here side to side. And then you're welcome again to Yogi's Choice. Find any final movement that you need up against the wall here, wall supported yoga, anything that you need to end your practice. And join me here dropping over to your favorite side now for fetal pose. Bringing knees up and in toward the elbows and resting easy here. Taking this final moment to yourself. And when you feel good and ready, yogis, we will all come to an easy seated pose. using your top palm here to gently push you up to seated. Yogis, thank you for joining me here on the mat today. It is truly a pleasure to guide you through your yoga practice at home. Thank you for taking me on your journey. And never forget that your yoga comes with you off the mat. Not only do we come to class to practice our postures, but to take our yoga outside of the classroom for a more compassionate world. As always, from my mat to yours, namaste.